Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Stock Movers with John Tucker. It's a podcast. John decided to start out where I am. John did my body mass index this weekend.
Yep.
Came over, did my BMI, as they say. He said, Wegovy, Novo Nordisk. Good luck with that.
Yeah, I mean, I know a lot of people who take it, but the side effects, it's just, can vary from individual to individual. Now there's apparently a new use for it. Novo shares advancing after the drug maker's blockbuster weight loss drug Wegovy has now received U.S. approval to treat a serious form of liver disease. The important part of this also is that they beat one of their competitors, Eli Lilly, to the U.S. market. So this particular approval gives Novo a big win in the booming market for the GLP-1 drugs. They, of course, have been popularized for weight loss.
Really?
The drug maker started the year as Europe's most valuable traded company, but it's since lost about half of its value as it wrestles with fierce competition in the obesity market. So the liver clearance marks the second boost for Novo this month, after disappointing data from Lilly's obesity bill boosted investor hopes about Novo's ability to compete. Wegovy was cleared for a disease known as MASH in adults with moderate to advanced scar tissue in the liver. MASH develops when fat builds up in the liver, causing inflammation and potentially leading to more serious conditions like cirrhosis and cancer. So Wegovy helps reverse the damage to the liver, according to Novo Nordisk.
Next.
Let's go to a company called Dayforce, the ticker symbol DAY. This is a human resources management software provider. It is the target of Thoma Bravo, the buyout firm planning to take the Minneapolis-based company private. This is a deal that could be announced as soon as the coming weeks. Dayforce shares, they have fallen about 60% from their 2021 peak, while the company increased revenue more than 70% between 2021 and 2024 and became more profitable. Again, this is the enterprise software market. They make human resources software. This market has had difficulties maintaining momentum after a run-up during the COVID-19 lockdowns. And let's wrap up with this one. We constantly ask the question, Apple, where's its mojo going? An interesting take from Mark Gurman. He focuses on Apple's Vision Pro headset. It isn't selling well for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's $3,500 price tag. And then there's the lack of sufficiently compelling features. There are other issues like a limited array of custom applications and the device's weight and cumbersome setup process. By all accounts, the device remains an extremely niche product. Moreover, the headset doesn't feel like a priority for Apple. On the last earnings call, for instance, Tim Cook almost seemed surprised when a Wall Street analyst quizzed him about the device and also the company's strategy. So there you go.
Mark Gurman strikes again on it.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.